Do you ever struggle with knowing when your painting is finished? Last night, my husband and I were talking about this new painting, a new class that I just finished yesterday. And he mentioned that the artists at the Art Institute always emphasized that one of the biggest skills you can learn as an artist is when to stop. So, today in this video, I thought I would share a couple of little tips on tricks that I use, things that I tell myself to make sure that I'm not overworking a piece, to make sure that I stop when I should stop. The very first thing that I do is stop early. What I mean by that is I never think of any particular part of any painting that I'm doing as done. I know the layers are important. So stopping early, and then my second tip, taking a lot of breaks, sort of work together. When I take a break, I take my piece up to my kitchen and I just spend a little bit of time with it. When I'm outside of my studio, I have the ability to see my piece as a viewer and not just a fixer at the easel. So take a lot of breaks, and often during those breaks, that's when I'm seeing the pieces are more done than I thought that they were. The third thing that I always do is I don't make any decisions until everything is at least based in. Color is very relative. So, how, for instance, the fence looks is going to be different when I have my cow in place. So, when I was painting the fence for this piece, I really thought I would probably want to come in and do some more layers, add some more light colors to the fence. And what I found out is that it really was done and it really didn't need anything else. The last thing that I do is go slow at the end of the painting. When I get to the end, I'm making the last few final details. And for me, the details are what I can really get stuck in because I love that part. But I'm really assessing every single stroke that I make. Did that stroke really make the painting any better? Many times when I finish that final session and take the piece up to spend time with it, I'm still not really sure that it's done. I don't find out, I don't make that final decision until I'm spending time with it in the kitchen and really standing back from it. So I hope that these tips will really help you to know when to stop, how to not keep working. As artists, even this piece, which I've signed, it's done. I could look at it and overanalyze it and want to go back in and fix certain areas. But when I really spend time with her, I can see that she's really perfect just as she is.